Hi, my name is Alexander Birbrair. I live in Belo Horizonte in Brazil. I do medical research. I am a stem cell researcher. I was born in Soviet Union in 1986. My parents found professor positions in Brazil in a very far city called Fortaleza. At my home in Fortaleza, where we lived with my parents, me, my sister, and my parents, we didn't know much, although we thought that we were the most religious family in the town. Many of the things that we were doing at our home, now I know that they were not correct. For instance, we thought that every chicken, every cow will be kosher. I didn't know that it needs to have a special shchit that should become kosher, or a special way that we kill the animal to become kosher. We never mixed milk and meat, or ate shrimps or pork or these kind of things, because we knew this. But several other things that we didn't know, we didn't keep just because we didn't know. The first time that I went to shul in Chabad, I brought all the religious Jewish items that I had with me, that I knew that probably I need them in the shul. So I brought a siddur that my father gave me, I brought a talis that my father gave me, and also a tefillin. However, I brought it on Friday night, so I brought it kind of to the service, and I just brought it feeling. Now I know that it will be muktzah, but I didn't know anything at the time. And I was trying to be the most religious that I could. After I spent around 2 years in São Paulo, I was in the stage of my career to start doing PhD. And I found one place in North Carolina to do my PhD there in neuroscience. When I first arrived to North Carolina, and I found in the internet that there was a Chabad in Greensboro that was about 50 minutes drive from where I lived, I went to this Chabad. They received me very nicely. It was Yosef and Inzi Plotkins that were young shluchim that just came to Greensboro a few months before this, and they really became my family. So Yosef proposed that a great thing would be to try JNet, that I will be able to study with a partner. So this was the way that I got connected with Rav Yoel Chazan from Manchester, that now lives in Crown Heights. And so he was my partner in study. He was teaching me so many things that I didn't know. And sometimes we will even just talk about life or things from life, and he will help me in few things. He will tell me stories of his life, and we even became so friends that when we came to live in the Bronx, in New York, when I got married, Rav Yoel and his wife and his children, they even came to spend a Shabbos with us. We also came many times to spend Shabbos with them in Crown Heights, so we became really friends. And the learning was a great experience and was a great thing for me. So we came to Brazil, to a city that I have a tenured professor position. I have a big lab of around 20 people. Here we do medical research with stem cells, cancer research. We study several diseases, and we try to progress with this medical research. I believe that both learning in JNet and just generally Jewish learning, it kind of guided my research and directed me. And this learning will bring some type of energy to my day, to my week. I would like to thank so much the Plotkins family, Rav Yosef Plotkin, Rav Yoel Chazan, the whole JNet, Rav Yehuda Dukes, and the whole Chefrusas from JNet that do such a great job and make important changes in the life of so many people around the world. So I would like to thank all of you, and you really made a change in my life. So I'm very thankful, and this is a great thing that you guys invented.